how to add email account to iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily add email account on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your settings app and then scroll down, go to apps on the bottom, tap on search and search for mail. Tap on it and then go to mail accounts. Here, go ahead and then tap on add account if you don't have any email added. And here you'll find the Google option. Tap on it, and from here, you can enter your email address and then put in your account. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.